Opal I would describe as a champagne gold. It is also the one out of all of these that I feel is the most natural. Makeup Revolution's rose gold is exactly that, a true rose gold. This is actually the only one I have that is of this shade in my collection. Androgynous Reveal is described as a champagne shade. On my skin tone, it pulls more of a yellow, a stronger yellow. Wet n Wild's Mega Glow in Go With The Glow is a beautiful bronze shade. L'Oreal's True Match Glow of More is a shade I would describe as a orange and a yellow combined. That sunset shade. I actually pressed a little bit too much out of that pump, which is something I usually do. And I would describe this as a champagne gold. You only need a little bit, not a ton, like I just did. Don't let the All Natural brand fool you. This is the most blinding shine of the bunch. Last is Cover FX's Custom Enhancer Drops. This is in Moonlight. Moonlight I reserve for my body because I feel that on my face it is just too much. I would describe the color for Moonlight as almost like a silver with gold mixed. It's very light. I wouldn't call it a true silver, but I do see some gold in it. Now that you've seen all the swatches on my body, I'm actually going to apply it onto my face now, so I figured I might as well just turn on the camera and show you. I want to also give you a couple of tips. So for today, I'm going to be wearing Wet n Wild's Hello Halo because I want more of a bronze look today. I went to the beach this past weekend and I went from NW43 to NW45. If not, 50. Most of the time I will apply my liquid highlighter with a brush versus a sponge. However, if I have used a sponge that day, like I just used this one today, then I'll go ahead and apply it with that. So it just depends on what I used. But for brushes, what I tend to grab is this smaller brush from Artis. This is the brush number, what brush number are you? Oval number 4. So I like the size of it, so you can apply it just in that precise area, but it still blends down just a little bit further onto my cheeks because I like to blend in my blush. If I want a precise highlight, I really want it to focus on a specific area and I don't want it to move about too much. I will reach for this brush, It Cosmetics from Ulta. I think the number has rubbed off, but I'll put it down in the info box. I turn it to its side and I actually start to blend up like this. If I want to blend out any edges, then I just go side to side and that blends it. So whoops, I like this brush for that. Then last would be if I want to kind of use the liquid highlighter more as like almost like a blush. I might not be wearing blush that time, just depends. And I tend to do that with the Makeup Revolution one because of the rose gold shade. It almost like doubles like a highlighter as well as a blush. So I'll use something that's a bit larger, still synthetic. This is from the Makeup Shack. It is brush number, there's no number on it. I will put it down in the info box too. And then I will just precisely put that on, blend it out, pull it down just a little bit. I will have bronzer on like I have right now, and it just kind of blends in, and it just looks like I have on a blush and a highlighter in one, and I'm good to go. I recommend if you're going to use the drops that you need to have something to apply it on. So like a plate, mixing plate. You can use your palm if you'd like, something that you can press it down on. I would not go, you know, like the drops and stick them on your face. That's not what I would do. But for Wet n Wild, since it has this applicator on top, super easy to just go right in on the wand. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to turn it to more of a cleaner side and kind of pick it up like that. I use my palm to take off the excess and kind of get it into the sponge as well. And then I press it onto the high points of my cheeks and then start to stipple it on. Now what's great about the liquid drops, you can just maybe do one layer and be done with it. The level of intensity is up to you. So you put on as much as you want and you glow as much as you want. Pick up whatever's the excess and just stipple that back on. When you use a sponge, you're going to get that softer appearance. You're going to get where it kind of just melts into your skin versus when you use like a brush or any other type of application tool. So just keep that in mind. Easy, right? That's it. Wear them alone. Wear them with powder. Wherever you want to shine, wear them on your body. Mix and match and create your own custom color. I'm going to finish my face so I can film some more. Have a wonderful day or evening. And as always, I'm going to see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.